guys, I'm Brian with AC Products USA, and we're talking a little bit on the application of our AC ProTech to a mini split. AC ProTech is a 3-in-1 product that will do your PC boards, your coils, and your cabinets. So I'm going to do a couple quick steps for you. I've already pre-disassembled part of this unit to make the process easier, but the first thing you're going to do is, if your unit is plugged into power and what we call in situ, already existing, you're going to turn off your power to the unit. If it's new, you're simply going to make sure you cover up some connections. So once you turn off your unit, you'll remove all the pins and you'll organize them in a way that you can get to them later. So the best way to start your application is you're going to start doing your coils first. So you'll open up your can, and as you can see, your coils are made out of copper rows. So the best trick you can use is you use those copper rows as your guide. So you'll take your spray and use a nice overlapping pattern. So you'll see that when I'll take, this will cover about 3 rows, and then I'll drop down. And if you can see, I want to show you something. Put this camera over here. Now see how the spray penetrates through both sides. So what that's doing is that it's actually getting the spray on the edges, which is the most vulnerable part of the aluminum, and then passing it through and letting it land on the coil fins themselves, okay? So that's the first thing you need to do. Then you're gonna come in, you're gonna coat this bottom foot right here of this fan. It's a very vulnerable part. What happens here a lot of times is that these units don't get cleaned up, they don't get drained, and then this whole area gets saturated with water. What happens when metal sits in water? It's gonna rust away. So you wanna go extra heavy coats right there in that section. Okay, you're gonna go about 4 or 5 coats there just to make sure you're well coated. This product also protects plastics from UV light. So you're gonna go ahead and coat your fan blades. The product's gonna be touch dry in about 15 minutes. So you got 15 minutes to kind of work through your process. So you're gonna coat your coils, then your fan blade. You're gonna coat your compressor if you wanna remove the sound cover. And you're gonna pull the PC board, and you gotta get into this PC board, and you're going to coat it. Now every PC board disassembles a little bit differently, okay? This one has a couple of clips. You're gonna take that PC board, you're gonna make sure that all your switches are connected, everything that's supposed to be done is done. You're gonna take and you're gonna coat that board. Coat all these components just to make sure that geckos and vermin and all kinds of stuff don't get in there. That's also gonna dry to the touch in about 15 minutes. But now we've coated it, we'll go ahead and click this back together. The board will be installed right back in its position. By the time you're done with this, you're gonna move on to your internal metal. You're gonna coat that. You're gonna let that dry. You're gonna come back and do a second coat on these fins. Once you're done, you'll reassemble the unit, wait about 30 minutes, power up, and you're good to go. Now, if you wanna contact us for our products, you can call us at 844-239-2775 at www.acproductsusa.com.